This is my house.
Yes, your house. Your cleanup.
No, I can't run. The hound.
That's right, bucko. The hound.
This is happening to me.
To you. To you.
Okay. That was pretty gooch. I'm burning all of my problems.
Once you're done with this, you're under arrest, sir.
For too long, this life of mine has tormented me. Why do we burn books? I don't know why. Why don't we give them a chance?
Don't you see? You are supposed to be the chosen one! What is there left to fight for in this life of ours? The world we know it will end!
Enough talk, Beatty. We never burned right, but you're about to be burned right.
One last word. No. Remember.
Mechanical hound!
No.
Attack!
Not the mechanical hounds. No.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater.